coming here and I'm just seeing all these food that I don't even understand. They don't even food don't even entice me. You understand? Like I'm not used to like those type of things. Like everything just they shock me. I'm yet to convince you, like we say in primary school, and not convince you that like Australia is the best decision you will ever make for your generation.
Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dr. Yokunle and Asake is back again.
Hi guys, it's your girl Asake Shafe again, and today
Welcome
we'll
back.
just be having a continuation of where we stopped the last time. So
Yeah. So guys, today she's going to tell us about how she processed Australia and how she went about it, the requirements, when to apply, all those kind of stuff. So Ashake, for I don't want to use the word novice, right? Or maybe a novice, right? Out there watching. So what are the requirements, or what's the first step? What's the first thing to do?
I think to come here through the study pathway, to come to Australia through the study pathway, the first thing and the most important thing is to have your international passport. We all know that.
Yeah.
And I think the next thing is to have your O-level certificate, O-level results, like your high school certificate. You make sure like you have it. Very important because you use that for bachelor's, you use that for MSc. So like what again? I think and I think you need to have a deposit of your school fee. And I think you should make research of the school you actually want to attend if the value they offer actually align with yours.
Okay.
And also check the region where you want to go study. It's very important. And the main requirement would be to study bachelor's. I think the main requirement would be your O-level certificate.
Yeah.
Most schools ask for IELTS. If schools don't ask, embassy will ask for the English test, IELTS or PTE. So sometimes, in maybe 10% they don't ask, but most times 90% of the time they do ask for IELTS.
Okay.
Then so now we've talked about the O-level, the IELTS. Make sure you have your birth certificate. Make sure you write a very strong SOP, statement of purpose. Make sure you write you fill out the GT, genuine temporary entry, something, I guess. I think it's genuine temporary entry.
Okay.
Make sure you fill it out correctly and make sure like you have a bank statement, because most of the time when I came here, they didn't ask me for bank statement, but 80% of the time they will ask to show proof of your bank statement that like when you come here, you're able to fend for yourself, you're able to like take care of yourself and still pay your school fee.
So most of the time what's your how much did you pay for application fee?
My visa fee.
Application like admission fee. Application fee.
I didn't pay any money for admission application fee. I think that's free for most schools.
Okay.
Everyone just apply freely to schools. It's either you get accepted or you get rejected. But I don't think you pay for application. The only thing I paid for was visa fee, which was like 650 or 653, I guess.
653 Australian dollars.
Yeah. Then after I paid for my visa application fee, I went for my biometrics, which I picked the dates for. And after that, I went for my medicals. And basically, all hands were like on deck. We're just sitting and waiting for the response from the embassy. So basically, for BSc, MSc, I said something about the BSc earlier. So for MSc, you need your O-level certificate,
right?
your university transcript, your university certificate. If you don't have a university certificate, make sure you have your notification of results. You can use that in replace your university certificate pending the time you get it. That was what I did.
Okay.
Because my certificate wasn't ready yet, so I used my notification of results, and I was offered a conditional offer for my offer letter for my uni, for my master's in Australia. Then I applied for visa. It was even later after my visa came out that I tendered my university certificate. So
it took you how long to get the admission?
Mine took like a week or 2 weeks to get admitted to my uni. So
how much did you pay as the initial fee, to get the admission?
things
Initial tuition
change.
fee.
Things change, right? So
Yeah, I know. I know.
every time like new thing come on board. Me during my time, like it was like $6,000 for deposits, but my school fee was actually $38,000. But like Australia give you the advantage to like break down your school fee and pay every semester or every trimester. In my own case, my uni use like a trimester. They operate on like a trimester
Trimester,
basis,
yeah.
and a
Three
trimester is
semesters,
like
yeah.
3 months. Yeah, so like you pay for each course like you're doing in that trimester. So basically, I paid 6,000 deposits when I was in Nigeria to like come here. So I was taking some online courses. So, but now it depends on what uni. I had some people that paid 14,000 deposits. I had
Okay.
people that paid 10,000 deposits. It's just my own
So it
uni at
depends
that
on
time.
uni and the program.
Yeah, my uni at that time was collecting $6,000 deposits.
Wow.
So
Yeah, that's okay. Then they issue certain documents to you, right? Apart from the admission letter, they issue
yeah, so
visa
they
supporting
give you
documents.
no. They give you offer letter
Mm-hmm.
and they give you confirmation of enrollment. Your
Okay.
confirmation of enrollment, which they call the COE, is the one you need to actually apply to the embassy for your visa.
Visa.
Do
Okay,
you
that's
get
what I
me?
need. Yeah.
So yeah, basically that's what you need. Your COE and your offer letter, just these two from the school. Then then you do your health insurance. Health insurance is very important. You do your health insurance cover, but your agent could do that for you. You could do it yourself, basically. So it's
Okay.
very important before you apply for visa. Then yeah, basically that's it.
Okay. So from the point of there's so it's like a center, the Australian embassy, just like a center where you submit your documents. Or did you stand for
Um,
interview?
no. Australia for Nigerians, like they don't do any physical
Interview.
interview.
Okay.
You submit all your documents, but make sure like Australian immigration is like one of the toughest one in the world, but it's like one of the simplest too if like you submit the right documents.
Okay.
Make sure you are being truthful, you submit all the necessary documents asked. Sometimes they could ask you for supplementary
Documents.
information.
Okay.
You need to just provide them on time, like before
Yeah.
the set dates. So basically, they
So if
don't
they
have
need
like
anything, they will notify you, right? Like
yeah,
additional
they don't
documents.
have they don't have like interview sections. You
Okay.
just submit because they have their embassy in South Africa.
Okay.
So most Nigerians send all their like visa, like your agents and everything, send your documents online to the embassy in South
Ah,
Africa
okay,
when you fill
okay,
it out.
okay.
So yeah.
So let me get you right. So you submit your documents online to the Australian embassy in South Africa, right?
Yeah,
Okay, okay. Well, that's a lot easier than I thought.
very easy.
Yeah. So from the point of getting admission to the point of getting visa, how long did you have to wait?
Um, I do say something that like to each of their own, or like
Yeah, yeah,
that
yeah.
kind of
I'm
saying.
just asking
And I
you
do,
your own personal
yeah.
situation.
So mine, I had to wait for like 8 months because Australia was
8
actually on
months.
lockdown.
Wow.
Yeah, Australia was on lockdown for 2 years. I think everyone in
During
the whole world
COVID.
know about that.
Mm.
Yeah. So even after COVID, when the whole world was opening up, Australia didn't open up their border till December 15, 2021,
Mm.
which is like 9 months ago. So I when they opened their border, that was when they started issuing most of the visa. So
Okay.
I applied July 2021,
Okay.
and my visa didn't come out until January 2022.
Wow.
It wasn't just me; it was a lot of people.
Yeah,
But
yeah,
now I think it's faster.
yeah.
Some people get their visa in 1 month. Some people get their visa in 4 months. Some people get it in 3 months, in two
Okay.
months. It
Mhm.
depends. That's why I said like each person to their own
To
like
their own, yeah, it depends. It
yeah.
depends on the
So
time when you apply. So, your agents, right? Are you comfortable sharing how much you paid your agents? Like,
actually, like I said in the past, in the first video we made together, I
yeah,
mentioned something about like how school could allocate you an
agent.
agent
Okay, okay,
and all that kind of stuff. School didn't allocate me an agent because I didn't know through Australia through maybe the school website. I
okay.
knew about Australia
Choose
schooling through
someone.
my cousin.
Yeah.
So basically I had to pay my agent. So I paid my
Okay,
agent
okay.
like let me change it to naira. I think like 300K or like 270,000.
Okay.
Let's say like 270,000. But there are agents out there that collect one that charge like 150,000.
Mm-hmm.
Example is like I know of one agency that actually brought in my friend. Their name is Dreamland International Agency. Like I know of couple of others, like but like I know these ones like they brought in some people, so definitely some agents charge 150K, 100K, 200K. It
Okay.
depends. Why if school assign you an agent and the school agents will only help you secure admission,
Okay.
they are not responsible for getting you visa,
You
helping you
figure
apply
it
for
out
visa.
yourself.
Yeah, so you figure it out or you still contact them to help you apply for visa, but you pay for that service. So
Okay. Okay. Wow. So, did you apply for any scholarship opportunity, or is there any scholarship opportunity?
actually, I don't know of any scholarship opportunity right now, but like I know some people come here through PhD, fully funded PhD
Yeah.
course
Mm-hmm.
and all that kind of stuff. But I didn't come here through scholarship. I came here as a full time paying student.
Okay.
So, but I was given 20% off my school fee
Okay.
because my uni decided to like give me 20% off, like 20% scholarship of my school fee. But generally, I don't think there are many scholarship opportunities in Australia. Don't get me wrong. I'm sure like there are scholarships
Yeah.
that I don't know of, but
Mm-hmm.
they are not that like many
Okay.
that like many are popular. I
Yeah,
don't know of
it's not
any.
like Canada or US.
You
Yeah.
understand?
Yeah.
So I only know of PhD fully funded scholarships. But trust me, anyone coming to Australia, you can come here and you'll be able to work and still pay for your school fee fully.
Yeah.
It's like
So
very chilled.
that leads me to the next question, right? Because that was what I
Yeah.
wanted to ask you. Um, Talking about working, like how many hours are you allowed to work per week?
Of this country, it's like designed in a funny way. So like you go to other countries whereby you can only work 20 hours, 25 hours. Australia actually have that same plan in place, like where you can work just 25 hours. But since after COVID, they had this thing where they allow all students to work unlimited hours. That means if you
Okay.
decide to work 24 hours in the whole 24 hours of a day, you
Mm-hmm.
are free to do that.
Wow.
So a student can work full time. We don't have working
No
hour limits
restriction.
for
No,
now.
no
No
restriction
restriction for
whatsoever.
now. I don't know about in the future, but presently, as a student, you can work full time. Tell me
Okay.
any other country that is doing that. Tell me any other Western country that is doing that right now.
So, generally, right? You are enjoying Australia. Like you have no regret, nothing.
I, I don't have any regrets,
Mm.
but like moving to a new country, culture shock,
Yeah.
the cultural shock,
Mm.
moving away from family, moving away from everything you've known, like
So you're talking
coming
about
here
the
and I'm
challenges. Yeah.
you get coming here and I'm just seeing all this food that I don't even understand. They don't even the food not even entice me. You understand? Like I'm not used to like those type of things. Like everything just they shock me.
Yeah.
Me going from eating my eba to like eating burger, eating I could eat burger like it's not a big deal.
But
But
Niger
like
food is
eating
Niger food,
things
right?
I don't even
Like
understand. You
mm,
understand? So
you
like
can't
yeah,
compare. Honestly, like you can't compare Nigerian food. And like
so yeah, we can. So basically, aside from like little challenges everyone face every
mm,
day, day in, day out, I don't think there's really anything extra. Because what you expect when you're moving to a new country, you should be able to like prepare your mind that like couple of months, or I'm giving myself a year, or I'm
mhm,
giving myself a couple of months. I know things are not going to be good or rosy. Like I don't expect to be rich overnight. I have to put in the work to see
yeah.
the results. It
Mhm.
happens to any country you're moving to. You don't just go there and like boom, everything is going really
Yeah,
well.
yeah. You know the
So things
mentality
can go
of things.
smoothly.
Hmm.
Things can go smoothly, but like it's a process,
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
to move from point A to B. So like thank God, like we give God the glory. So far
yeah.
so good. No
It's not
regrets.
easy.
It's
It's
just
not easy. Yeah.
it's not easy. It's
I'm
not
sure some of
easy,
your
but no
friends
regrets.
in Nigeria will be like, you're harvesting money from the tree. You understand? Like it's not like that.
Everyone thinks that they pluck money for abroad, but like it's no problem. You two come. We're happy to have you here to come and pluck your own money.
Yeah, so talking about admission deadline, like when do you they run 3 semesters, right? 3 semester. So does it mean you can always apply anytime, or like there's a specific time within every 3 months?
Don't get me wrong. When I was talking about trimester, I said some schools offers like trimester.
Mm-hmm.
Some schools offer like on trimester basis, while some offer on
Normal semester.
semester.
Mm.
You understand what I'm saying? So like my school, in my own case, offer trimester basis,
Okay.
some semester basis. So like admission is most schools open up like admission for July admission, September intake, February intake.
Okay. Yeah, I
There are
get.
different intakes,
Yeah, yeah,
every
yeah.
time of the year
Depends
you
on
will
the
always see
semester you
one
are
intake
getting
or the
enrolled
other.
in.
Yeah.
So,
So
so what's your advice, right, for someone who is interested in coming to Australia? Like, what's your
hmm.
advice from your experience so far?
My advice is my brother, my sister, just do it. Don't listen to people that like speculation. Like most people that even like carry the rumors, there are people that have
They've
never been
never,
outside
they've
their
never stepped out
comfort
of the
zone.
country.
You get what I'm saying? Just do it. You will love it. It's like I spoke to someone recently, and the person was like, "This is the best decision I ever made since I've been making all the decisions in my life."
Yeah.
So, and same thing goes to me. Like, just go for it. If you feel like this place is going to be right for you, prepare yourself mentally, psychologically. Like, this thing might not be rosy, but I'm going to like bounce through it, and
Yeah.
you're going to come here. You're going to do great things.
Mhm.
Because every Nigerians I've met, every Africans I've met,
They're all doing well.
like they are all doing really good. Like they have one thing or the other to say about like living here. Just make your own personal research. Don't say this girl she too gets sweet mouth. Do your own research. You have Google. Just put it on there.
Sweet mouth.
Check about the good things and disadvantage of being here.
Yeah.
You see the good ones and you see the bad ones. So prepare your mind for the good days and prepare your mind for the bad days.
Yeah.
But trust me, nowhere you go to that doesn't have its own advantage
Yeah,
and
obviously,
disadvantage.
yeah,
But this
definitely.
country is like the right spot for you. Like if you feel like, okay, I want to be somewhere that is safe, like and well family oriented. Like they might not be, but the environments give you like space to like grow your own family, to like basically I walk on the road, I don't feel unsafe, like maybe someone
Don't
is
feel
going to shoot
threatened.
me or something. I don't feel threatened. I can walk 12 p.m 11 p.m, nothing is going to do me. Like I feel really safe. I'm doing a good job. I'm going to school, I'm paying my fees myself, I'm paying my bills myself. I feel so happy to be here. And like I would say one of the things that like I feel so blessed to be in this generation and to be in this part of the world. So my advice is just, if it's on your bucket list, just kick it up. Make sure you start the process. Don't procrastinate. Procrastination is like a very big disease. Just do it.
Okay. So guys, see, I have nothing else to add. Like she said it all. So where can they find you on social media? I'm going to put it on the screen as well.
Okay. You can find me on Instagram at Asake Shafe. If you check this video, the name is typed out there as ASAKE SHAFE.
Yeah, it's
on
screen,
YouTube, Asake Shafe also. On Facebook, Aminat Salami. And what socials again?
Twitter?
On Twitter too, Aminat Salami. And basically just check my Instagram and my YouTube. I have a lot of videos that actually
and our YouTube channel too will be in the description below, so you guys can
so
and even
just
on the
check my
screen.
YouTube. You will see a lot of stuff that might interest you about Australia there. I'm yet to convince you, like we say in primary school, and not convince you that like Australia is the best decision you will ever make for your generation.
See, I think they will give you, maybe you'll be one of their ambassador, right?
Yeah.
Australian ambassador to Nigeria.
I should be.
Yeah, thank you so much for coming. We really appreciate. Guys, please click the like button, subscribe if this is your first time. It's unfair for you to watch this video and walk away. You have to subscribe. That's the only price. It's actually free. And also subscribe to our YouTube channel, Asake Shafe. I'm going to put, you will see it on the screen right now as we drop. And give her a follow on all our socials, and to see you guys again the next time. Bye.
Thank you guys for having me. Bye.